Every modern business, especially those operating globally, needs a financial partner they can trust. When you're dealing with cross-border payments, multi-currency accounts, and global expenses, the question of reliability isn't just a concern, it's everything. So, let's talk about Airwallex. Is it a dependable platform for your finances? First, let's look at security and regulation. Airwallex isn't a traditional bank, but it's a regulated financial institution, holding licenses in major jurisdictions like the UK, US, Australia, and Singapore. They are compliant with strict international standards, including PCI DSS and SOC 2, and your funds are safeguarded with leading global financial institutions. That's a solid foundation. Functionally, Airwallex offers a lot of power, local receiving accounts in minutes, transfers to over 150 countries, and competitive FX rates. Many users praise the platform's speed and its comprehensive suite of tools, like corporate cards and expense management, all in one place. They process billions annually and have a high system availability, crucial for a 24/7 global business. Now, where does reliability get tricky? Customer support. Like many rapidly growing fintechs, feedback is mixed. Some users report excellent, dedicated support, especially for enterprise accounts. Others have noted frustration with slow response times for complex issues, particularly with email or for urgent account reviews. Getting quick, human support is an area where reliability can sometimes feel inconsistent. What's the verdict? Airwallex is built on a secure, regulated, and technologically robust infrastructure. For businesses with complex international needs, the platform is powerful and highly reliable for managing transactions and core financial operations. However, when issues arise, your experience might depend heavily on the type of support you need. If you value a full, integrated global financial platform, Airwallex is a strong, well-regarded choice. Just be prepared to leverage their help documentation and be clear and detailed in your initial communications if you face a unique challenge.